Hello, my name is Scott Anderson, and we're going to talk today about training. And in particular, with training, we're going to talk about training and artificial intelligence. First of all, as organizations consider the concept of training and the concept of artificial intelligence, there are a number of things that you have to consider. First of all, do you have any interest? Do you have any value proposition in considering it? So as we think about all the terms and the frames and all the different components within the concept of AI, there is obviously a need to understand structurally how to consider and evaluate not only a training process, but an actual training methodology. And based on that, there's a four-step process that's very simple and easy for an organization to follow. The first phase is called introduction or aware. And awareness is quite simple, and that's what we're going to talk about today, is the concept of awareness in training. First of all, what does awareness mean? Well, awareness means that the concept that you are considering, evaluating, wanting to learn is ultimately easily understood. Now, let's talk about AI. AI isn't easily understood, but it is incredibly easy to understand. It is simply machines doing what humans have traditionally done. As we all know, human beings have, over the past multiple thousands of years, developed thinking processes. In those thinking processes, we have begun to bring data into a single location, and we have begun to look at, within our own minds, what is it that we're trying to understand. That's all AI is. AI is simply a machine beginning to develop those initial phases that humanity probably went through 35 to 40,000 years ago. Those initial communication structures, those initial processes that humans began to do many thousands of years ago. Machines are doing that now. That's what AI represents. AI is simply the beginning of machine intelligence. And so in that, we have a four-step process that we offer you. The first phase of that process is aware. And I'm going to cover a little bit of aware today. Aware is available to you. You're welcome to download it. We'll have it available on our website. You can take a look at it. You can use it along with this video to introduce AI to people that work with you. The other side, of course, of AI is simply that there's more to it. And so if you're interested or need more help or more guidance, the other three phases of this model include what we call understanding, refine, and finally apply. And as you can probably guess, apply is where you actually hands-on begin to build AI systems. Refine is where you begin to figure out what it is about AI that you really personally enjoy. Understand is where you take the broad awareness that you've built and you begin to siphon that or bring that down into organized or structured modalities for you as a human being. So I'm going to scroll down and like I said, this document, this aware phase is available. And as you get it and download it, you'll notice right away that there is this concept. Let's begin. What is AI? And in this, what is AI? There will be a constant changing list of YouTube links. So you can literally click on the YouTube link.
Hear this, a machine that could organize your cupboard just...
And you very quickly see that in fact, what you have is a link to this AI module, this AI learning component.
You like it. Or serve every member of the house a customized cup of coffee. Makes your day easier, doesn't it? These are the products of artificial intelligence.
I do like that concept, by the way, of serving everybody in your house a different cup of coffee. If you think about it, that is truly the value proposition that AI brings. So you can click on each of the links inside of this. And by the way, this will change. So if you look at this this is published in July 2024. If you look at this in July 2024, this is the list you're going to get. If you look at this in September, October, or November, you're going to get a different list. And the reason for that is that people constantly upload new materials to YouTube that is better or is available or freely there on the YouTube platform to reuse. By the way, in no form do we ever use paid YouTube channel material, simply because A, that's not appropriate, and B, that's just not a good idea. It doesn't help you. So I'm going to click on one more link, then we're going to talk a little bit more, and we're going to end this very first video about the awareness phase. But again,
today we'll be looking at the history of artificial intelligence, from the beginnings to the most recent breakthroughs. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This is Mr. Singularity, where we explore the scientific and
okay, so this is another station. I do listen to Mr. Singularity. This is not subscribed, you'll notice, on this particular machine, because you'll notice on the upper right hand corner it is not signed into a YouTube or Google account. But I am subscribed to Mr. Singularity on my personal account. I listen to him all the time. I think he's a very interesting host, and he does a great job overall with what he's talking about. So this is the concept, awareness, and the goal of awareness is to get you into those initial phases, right? What is AI? Once you've got an understanding of AI, then you can begin to take a look at it. Awareness builds out a bunch of other topic areas within AI. The concept of RAG, which is an augmented way to help search data be more efficiently tracked by AI. There's the concept of machine learning. There's the concept of intelligence. There's the concept of what does intelligence mean? How does it work? What are we going to do? There's the concept of automation. All of these things obviously are tool sets and processes that we ultimately have to consider, and ultimately will be used and built upon as we go forward. I will be releasing more videos about the awareness phase. I might even show my face on one of these videos, but for right now we're going to use screen capture and show you the actual materials and what they look like. My name is Scott Anderson, and I want to thank you so much for listening today, and have a great day. Welcome to Awareness.
technological breakthroughs shaping the future as we know it, is often beneficial. Today we'll be looking at the history of artificial intelligence, from the beginnings to the most recent breakthroughs. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This is Mr. Singularity, where we explore the scientific and technological